Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I am completing a week of sacred ceremony and plant medicine with the fabulous Marci. I have been in many different plant medicine spaces, and the thing that I can tell you is that Marci spaces are held in the most sacred, encoded, safe, most blissful settings. Marci is a Jedi at working with energy, with plant medicine, with people exactly where they are. I have shifted so much in this recent experience. It has been the most profound experience that I've ever had with plant medicine, in my life, notwithstanding any other plant medicine. It's allowed me access to move blocks, move energies that were stuck, remove limits from my life that I've lived with my entire life. And I can tell you that today I feel completely liberated. And there's always more layers to go. There's, as Marci would say, and there's more. It's just one of the most profound experiences that I could highly recommend to anyone in any space. And there's many other medicine women out there, many other shamans, many other leaders and teachers. I have not come across anyone that carries the codes that Marci does, that will give you the quality experience and take you to the depths and the levels of your own soul, to help you to live your most expanded, most amazing, beautiful, blissful, miraculous life. I'm so honored to be able to be in her space, so blessed to have found her, 2.5, 3 years ago. I followed her online, I've been in her mastermind programs, I have journeyed with her in medicine on a prior occasion, and I cannot recommend her highly enough. She is an amazing miracle worker and shaman, medicine woman, like I said, Jedi of energy. And there isn't anything that I would change about this experience, except maybe it would be longer because I'm not ready to go home.